This video is about how to make a simple boost converter circuit. This easy voltage booster project will help you power an LED bulb using just one 1.5 volt cell. It's perfect for beginners, students, and hobbyists who are interested in learning about electronics and DIY projects. Gather all the components and connect them according to the circuit diagram shown. You can take a screenshot of the circuit diagram near the end of this video. Building this boost converter circuit provides practical experience and a solid foundation in electronics. Cost-effective, using inexpensive, readily available components makes this an affordable and accessible project for DIY learners. For the LED bulbs operating at 12 volts, you will use a 25 volt capacitor. To test the circuit, connect a 12 volt LED bulb to this booster. For the LED bulbs operating at mains volts, you will use a 250 volt capacitor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY electronics tutorials and project ideas. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.